Rocker Pat here. Alright guys, daily grind here. It's Sunday morning, weekend before Memorial Day 2018, and had a little booger come in yesterday for some electrical problems. Figured I'd get started on that today while it's still cool. I think I'm gonna take a day off on the old 47 truck. But let's see what we got going on. The complaint is that the park lamps in the rear do not work. So I got my wiring diagram out here, and I like to print them out so I can see everything and get everything right. And let's take a look at what we got going on here. First thing we got to do is find out what gives power to this. This is an 06 G20 van with a 4.6 or 4.8 or whatever the hell small engine is in it. So what we got going on here is we have, at first we have our park lamp relay coming from the switch. Okay, actually it's coming from the body control module, but what I know for sure is that the relay's working. Then we have 4 fuses going across here, and when I go over to the truck, my left rear park lamp fuse blows, my right rear park lamp fuse blows, and my front park lamp fuse blows. Now I sat here for a little while trying to figure out why it is that I'm blowing my front fuse along with my rears, because they're 2 separate circuits and they shouldn't be affecting each other, because the rears come out of the fuse box. Now this fuse box is underneath the front driver's seat, comes out and it goes directly to my rear park lamps, going through C401 and C402, which is the connector that hooks it actually to the park lamp module, tail lamp module, or whatever the hell you want to call it. So there's really no reason why I should be having my front park fuse blowing at the same time I'm having my rear park fuses blow. So I got out there, and come on, y'all are gonna enjoy this. So I got out there and I was rooting around like, you know, you have to do. And I seen something weird. You see that wire right there? Yeah, that one right spanking right there. If we follow it around, it comes down here, and I don't know if we're gonna be able to see it right, but you see it way down there, that little white one. It's right there. Okay, so it's coming over here, and it's going back through here, and it's coming off, and it's coming over here to the park lamp assembly. And you see where they got it tied in? So they must have blown a fuse at one time and decided that they were gonna route around the problem instead of finding the problem and repairing it. And I see this kind of shade tree electrical. This is the kind of crap my father would have done. He's an electrician, because this is a straight up electrical wire for a house. So it goes into the firewall. Let's go over here. And I seen it running right through here by the seat, because of course I'm up under here working on the fuse panel. So I look up under here, and you can see right here where it's been kind of getting rubbed through right here on the corner of this piece of vibrating. You can see the little dent in it. Eventually that's going to wear it through. So I'm like, okay, well, where's this wire going? And it comes back here, and I come over here, and I climb in, and I come around, and this is what I find. Yeah, are you kidding me? What the? Coming off the floor, coming up, and tying into a completely bare wire, and literally just hanging over the edge like this. Okay, so this is the reason why I'm blowing my front fuse, is because I'm tied to my rear system right here, and I'm just barely tied to it. Now I thought that this was going to be where I was done with this story and we could move on with the new one, but then I look back here Oh, can we see it? Oh, look at that rat's nest. Let's go back there and take a look at that. Are you kidding me? This is why some people should not be allowed to work on wiring in cars. I mean, we got stuff all twisted together here, bare. I mean, here's a wire that's just twisted together, bare. Here's another one, bare. Here's another one, bare. Here's another couple, bare. Here, look, these two are just touching each other, the green and the brown. Here's probably where my short is right there, okay? Because that brown wire is going to be my park lamp, and this green and this yellow is going to be my turn brake. And then we got a yellow wire. What the... You see what I'm saying, man? Alright, guys. Looks like I got my hand full of a rat's nest today. But Rocker Pat, he knows what the hell he's doing. He's going to get this all wired back up and this van back out on the road with proper lighting. Man, yeah. Some people should not be allowed to work on cars. Well, y'all keep rocking and a-rolling and a-rolling and a-rocking. I thought I'd give y'all a little bit of the daily grind for a change. And I'll talk to y'all next time, and I'll keep grinding them down. Hello, Mr. Petey Doggy. Hello.